Hello and welcome to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in this video, I am going to show you how to create an AI agent with Zapier agents that takes job alerts sent from LinkedIn and adds it to a spreadsheet so you can track it efficiently and add a score on whether you're compatible for that role. What you can see here in LinkedIn is a way to manage job alerts. So for example, anything that says artificial intelligence consultant, I will get alerts for that, or director of impact, I will get alerts for that straight to my email via a daily email. If I go to my email, you can see what this looks like from job alerts no reply at linkedin.com, and we can see the structure of this email, and we can see it shows us in this email 6 new jobs that I added that might be great for me. What I want to do is store that inside a Google Sheet and add a compatibility score. And so what we've done is we built an AI agent that does this for us in Zapier. If I go to zapier.com, we can see that Zapier is one of the leading AI and automation workflow platforms on the market. We can create agents, we can create zaps, which are essentially workflows, we can create chatbots. In this case, we're creating an agent, or we've created an agent. And all I did to get to these instructions is tell the AI, or tell Zapier, what I wanted to do. So I said, every morning at 8 a.m., I want you to check my emails and I want you to find the job alerts for LinkedIn, and then I want you to do X, Y, Z. And it created all these steps to do this. All I had to do is connect it to my email and give it access to the spreadsheet. It's going to add the information to this spreadsheet here. But also in this case, with the compatibility score, I added a data source. So I went to tools, I went to add tool, upload file, and I uploaded my CV, or uploaded my resume, so it can compare the job, or at least the title of the job, with my resume. We could go a bit deeper and have it actually look at the job description and compare from the job description, but right now it's just comparing from the job title. And so we're going to retest this agent. The first thing it's going to do is look for an email. So it's going to look for an email just like this. It's found an email where it says several emails, and now it's comparing the jobs in those emails, so that will be this, with my CV. You can see here it says from the first email, I can see these job opportunities, director, community management, and player experience, which is actually added before. ESG impact manager, asset strategy business partners. And so now it's asking for permission to add it, and it's only asking for permission while we're testing the agent. So we're going to hit approve here. It's going to add the same one that it has here, which is fine. That's totally okay. And we can see that has added that particular role, or that particular alert. It wants to go through and add, well, it wants to go through and have me approve each one of them. We don't actually need to do, I'm going to hit approve, but we don't actually need to do that because we can see how it works. We can see that I create alerts in LinkedIn, then I receive emails daily from LinkedIn. The agent is monitoring my email inbox for those alerts, and then it's added them to a spreadsheet and adding a score on whether I am compatible for that role or not. And if we actually go up, we can see it right here, a match of 5. So I might only want to apply to roles for this keyword, director of impact, that are new, that are maybe 8 and above. So I'm a great match based on my CV and the role. This is how we can begin to automate the employment process or begin to use AI in the employment process. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hacking.